And right now I'm here still working on the rear door on the right side. However, one bolt is definitely rusting there and won't give himself up. Well, I think I just have to do it the way like this. Those who are ready to go, I'll take it off right here. These are the easy. Goes like and then finger right, there it goes. And then the other one. And then the finger power, and it took off. And next one is an easy. And the finger, and it goes there. There's all the bolts that I managed to get it out so easily. From now on, ratchet is a useless. Now on, we need a strong power. And it took off. Yeah, like here. Damn fucking door. A bit rusty on the bottom, but any other way it's a very nice door. This one is still useful if I only found anybody who needed anybody at all. Right. This is the right door, rear door. Still useful. Hep.